was.
Hi, I'm ReyRove. I hope you're doing well. Today we want to review some news from May 3 to 9. So on May 3 and May 4, we don't have any news, so we skip to the May 5 and see the news. The first news is about the MicroStrategy unveils plan for Bitcoin-based decentralized identity using ordinals. Let's see what is news about. This news, in general, it's about the MicroStrategy's new project that is called MicroStrategy Orange. We have some key takeaways about this project that we can mention to them. First of all, it's about the MicroStrategy, a major Bitcoin investor that is developing a decentralized identity service that is called MicroStrategy Orange. Another thing, we can just say this service aims to provide secure and also permanent digital identities using the Bitcoin blockchain. MicroStrategy Orange leverages the Ordinals protocol, a recent addition to Bitcoin. And one potential application, Orange for Outlook, allows verifying email senders through digital signatures. And at the end, details about the project are still emerging, according to the news, with an unofficial draft available on MicroStrategy's GitHub. So in overall, we can say this news has sparked discussions about potential of Bitcoin for decentralized identity management. So some see it as a revolutionary step, while the others just raise concern about scalability and network congestion. So it is a interesting and good news to know, I think. So let's see what other news we have on May 5. So we go there. So another news, it's about the Avi. So Avi proposes V4 with completely new architecture. So let's see what is it. Avi Labs proposes to develop a new version of Avi protocol, that is Avi v4. So the key features about this news is, first of all, completely new architecture for efficiency and modularity, and also minimal impact on existing integrations with other platforms, and unified liquidity layer. So details not specified yet. And at the end, we can mention to the new Oracle design using Chainlink, likely for fetching reliable price data. So development starts this quarter, May 2024, and community feedback and testing will be involved also, and full release targeted for mid-2024. We have some possible implications that we can mention about this project. The first is about the Avi v4 could offer improved performance and scalability for DeFi applications, and also another thing that we can mention, it's about the unified liquidity layer, might simplify managing assets within the Avi protocol. And the last one and the third, we can say it's about the integration with Chainlink, could enhance data security and reliability. So it's really very good and interesting. Overall, we can say this news suggests the Avi Lab is committed to ongoing development and improvement of the Avi protocol. So it's important to note that the proposal is still under consideration. Just notice to this thing, and specific details about functionalities might change. So for the more information, you can go click on the link and see details about this and be updated too. So let's go, and what are the other news on May 5 we have? Other news is about the Coinbase base plans, $2 million on-chain summer 2. This news is about the Coinbase Layer 2 network base. So Coinbase is launching, this news said, the Coinbase is launching a new incentive program called On-Chain Summer 2 for its Layer 2 network base. So the program offers over 600 Ethereum, that is around $2 million, in prizes, grants, and gas credits to attract both developers and also users. The program will kick off with a month-long online hackathon hosted by Base and its partners. So Coinbase is collaborating with various firms within the crypto ecosystem to provide tools for developers participating in the hackathon. So this is including easier onboarding for users through Coinbase, new smart wallet recently launched on Base, Sequoia testnet, and also tools to create user experiences with account abstraction, a technology simplifying blockchain interaction. For this project that Coinbase is launching, program or project, we can say we have some possible implications too. The first one, it's about the On-Chain Summer 2, aims to stimulate development and user adoption on the Base network. And the second one that we can mention is by offering prices and also simplifying user onboarding, Coinbase hopes to attract more developers. So if they have the more developers, they use all of these strategies and ways to have and attract more developers. So if they have the more developers, they can build applications on Base. So the focus on seamless also user experiences suggests Base is working towards a more user-friendly interaction with blockchain technology. So it was very good news too, I think. So we have another news on May 5, but we just stick to the important ones. So let's see what we have on May 6th. On May 6th, we have another news about the popular crypto wallet MetaMask. So you know about it. Rolls out some smart transactions to combat Ethereum front running. So this news, it's about the MetaMask new feature to combat MEV. So MEV, what is MEV? MEV is the abbreviation of maximal extractable value. We can say MetaMask, as you know, is a popular Ethereum wallet. So MetaMask is introducing a new feature that is called the Smart Transactions. So this feature aims to help users avoid the negative effects of MEV, maximal extractable value. So MEV refers to strategies miners use to extract additional value by manipulating the order of transactions on the blockchain. So this can lead to higher fees for users, something that users really don't want it. So smart transactions also work through a virtual mempool. So how the process is that? The process is like this. The transactions are submitted first to this virtual pool before being added to the official Ethereum blockchain. So the benefits of this process is that allows MetaMask to potentially, first of all, run simulations to find the most efficient transaction order and potentially lower fees, something that users really want this. So another thing is about to protect against certain MEV strategies that exploit transaction order. So overall, we can say this is a very positive development of MetaMask users. The smart transactions could help them save money on gas fees and also avoid being manipulated by MEV. However, it's important to note that the smart transactions is an optional feature. So it depends on the user's choice. They can just choose it to use it or not. So the specific details of how virtual mempool works and its effectiveness against MEV might not be entirely yet clear yet. So just it's another interesting news too. So let's see what we have on May 7th. So let's see some news. So on May 7th, we have news about Anomaly. Anomaly launches first AI-powered zero-gas gaming platform testnet on Arbitrum. So let's see what is this news about. It is a very interesting development in Web3 gaming space, especially considering focus on AI, artificial intelligence. So here's some key points that we can mention about this news. So Anomaly, an AI gaming studio and layer 3 blockchain, launched the first testnet of its AI-powered zero-gas gaming platform on Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a popular scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain, and a testnet is also a simulated environment for developers to test applications before a full launch. There are some key features about the Anomaly. First of all, it's about the AI power. So this suggests the platform might be use AI for in-game elements or content creation. Also, zero-gas gaming. This could be a significant advantage as gas fees are a major barrier to entry for many blockchain games. How they achieve zero gas fees is not mentioned yet. And layer 3 blockchain. So this suggests Anomaly builds open existing blockchain infrastructure, likely Ethereum, for added functionalities. And also focus on developer and community. So Anomaly aims to provide tools for developers and foster a strong gaming community around the platform. And the last thing that we can mention is about the decentralized game layer with native AI tech stacks. So this indicates focus on decentralized ownership and integration of AI technology within the games. So overall, we can say Anomaly's approach has potential to disruptive in Web3 gaming space. However, there's some questions about it. For example, the specifics of AI interaction. How will AI use in the games? Will it be for non-player characters? We mean NPCs, content generation, or other aspects. And also, we can have some questions about the details of zero gas implementation. How does Anomaly achieve zero gas fees on the testnet? Is this sustainable for the mainnet launch? So nature of layer 3 functionality. What specific functionalities does the layer 3 blockchain add on top of the existing blockchain, likely Ethereum? So there are some questions that we can just ask. And also, to give our answers, it's really very important to follow Anomaly's development closely to see how they address these questions and how their platform evolves. So you can go there and get some details and more information about this project too. So let's see what we have on May 7th. So we go there. So let's see, this is something interesting as someone who is working in the NFT marketplace. So there's a new about the people that are working in an NFT marketplace. So NFT marketplace, Eternity plans transformation into Ethereum L2. Let's dive into the news. So Eternity and NFT marketplace is shifting its focus from Ethereum mainnet to the layer 2 solution built on Optimus. Optimus is a popular scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain, known for its faster transaction speeds and also lower fees. This moves aims to attract major entertainment brands by offering several benefits. So let's see what are the benefits. First of all is the scalability. Optimus can handle more transactions per second compared to the Ethereum mainnet, potentially improving user experience. Another thing is about security. Eternity emphasizes robust IP protection through an AI-powered DRM protocol. DRM is the abbreviation of the Digital Rights Management. This suggests a focus on protecting intellectual property associated with NFTs. So overall, we can say Eternity's strategy targets the entertainment industry with a more scalable and secure platform for NFTs. So there are some additional points that we can consider about this project too. First, it's about the specifics of AI-powered DRM. The details of how the AI is used in DRM are still unclear for us, so it might involve features like content verification or temperature detection. And also another point that we can mention, it's about attracting major entertainment brands. Whether Eternity's approach will be successful in convincing major brands to enter NFT space remains to be seen. We should see in the future and follow them. Can they be successful or not? So let's go and see other news. We go to the May 8th and see the other news, what are about. So we have a lot of news, but we just focus on the important ones. So another news that is interesting, I think it's about first of all, I saw the word of open source and it was really interesting for me. So let's dive into the news. Omni launches open source EVM framework Octane with sub-second finality. Let's see what is it. This news, it's about the Omni Foundation's launch of Omni Octane. So Omni Foundation released Omni Octane, an open source framework for building high performance blockchains. And the key features of the Octane are EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible. This allows developers familiar with Ethereum to easily build applications on Octane-based blockchains. And another thing, it's about the modular design. This flexibility enables developers to create customized blockchain infrastructure for specific needs. And also about the high performance, we can talk about it. So Octane boasts sub-second finality, transaction confirmation times, low latency, fast data, and high transaction throughput, ability to handle many transactions. And the last thing that we can talk about it's a decentralized sequencer. So this is a significant feature. Traditionally, layer 2 solutions rely on centralized sequencers, which can be a security risk. So Octane aims to be the first L2 with a decentralized sequencer, potentially improving the security. So overall, we can say Omni Octane has the potential to be a game changer in blockchain development. And there's some key points about this project too that we can talk about them. The first is the impact on scalability. So Octane's focus on high performance could address scalability limitations faced by some blockchains like Ethereum and also decentralized L2. Future, if Octane's decentralized sequencer proves successful, it could pave the way for more secure and scalable L2 solutions, and adoption by developers. Widespread adoption by developers will be crucial for Octane's success in the long run too. So now we go to the May 9. You can see the other news. So there are lots of news on May 9, but we just read this news. I think it's because it's really very interesting. Solana-based marketplace AgriDex raises $5 million to tokenize agricultural industry. Let's see what is it about. This news is about AgriDex, that is a Solana-based platform for agricultural commodities. So AgriDex has secured $5 million in pre-seed funding to tokenize agricultural commodities on the Solana blockchain. Investors are included Endeavor Ventures, African Crops, and Oldenburg vineyards. You can see the more information and details to go to their website. So AgriDex aims to revolutionize the agricultural industry by creating a marketplace. They want to create a marketplace for buying and selling various crops, and they can also utilizing NFTs to represent ownership and transaction details of these commodities. So potential benefits of AgriDex, we can just mention and talk about them. The first is about the increased transparency and traceability. So blockchain technology can provide a secure and also transparent record of the ownership transaction history for agricultural products. And also another thing that we can mention, it's about improved access to finance. So tokenization could potentially unlock new avenues for financing for farmers. And the other thing that we can mention, it's about a streamlined trade. So AgriDesk's marketplace could simplify the process of buying and also selling the agricultural commodities. So there are some questions that we can consider about this project if we want to think deeper about it. So the first is about the specific applications. It would be really very interesting to learn more about types of crops AgriDex will initially focus on and how they plan to address challenges specific to different agricultural products. And the other thing, it's about the adoption by farmers and also the buyers. So widespread adoption by both farmers and those looking to purchase agricultural products will be crucial for AgriDesk's success. So overall, we can say AgriDesk approach has the potential to bring significant improvements to the agricultural industry. It's really very important. It's really very interesting. However, it's still early days, and the platform long-term viability will depend on addressing the points mentioned above. Absolutely, they should work because they are working on it, and in future we will see more information about all of these projects. So there were the news that we just summarized them and review them from May 3 to 9, and I hope you really like it. And just to know, for more information, just you can go to this site and click on them and see them more and deeper. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy my support token on object.com, and also you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any opinion, please comment it for me. Bye guys, see you later.